Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha says, on the last day, Hazrat Abdurrahman bin Abu Bakr visited the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam while I had clasped him to my breast. Hazrat Abdurrahman had fresh a toothstick which he was using. When Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam looked at it, I took the toothstick from him, cut it from the upper side, made it soft, then cleansed it and gave it to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam brushed his teeth with it, and I never saw him using the toothstick in a better way. When he had brushed his teeth, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam after a while raised his hand or a finger towards the sky and said, "To the highest companion." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said it thrice and then passed away. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha would say, when he sallallahu alaihi wasallam passed away, his head was reclining against the place in between my clavicle and chin. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4438.